Everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jahid Hassan and I am super excited to have you here for my first video on my channel. Let me briefly explain about my channel. Well, my channel is all about digital marketing sector. Mainly I will talk about Google Ads. Not only Google Ads, we will talk about Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Web Analytics, GTM, GA4, Facebook Pixel setup. But for the first, we will create a playlist about Google Ads and we will find everything related to Google Ads in that playlist, right from the basics to advanced level. So everything you will find on my channel will be free for you. I don't have any course, I don't run any course, and you don't need to um, need to sign in or log in on buy any course. I can promise you that. Just stick to the channel and see what I can give you from my years of experience in Google Ads. Well, obviously, I don't know everything about Google Ads, but whatever I know, I will try to share with you. Okay, let's talk about Google Ads. As this is the first video, we will just briefly talk about Google Ads. We will not go broadly, not describe everything about Google Ads. When we will create further video and then we will talk about more deeply about Google Ads. Well, I'm Jahid Hassan and I'm very passionate about Google Ads. I create campaign, I run Google Ads for my own business and from other local business who try to run Google Ads. I also help them. Obviously, sometimes they offer some money to me and sometimes I willingly does that. I have been working in digital marketing for years. I mean, if I specifically say that I am just a sector of digital marketing, which is advertising, SEM, as you all know, social media marketing. And I am thrilled to share my experience and knowledge I have gained throughout the years with you all. The content I will provide in my channel, it will it will be highly benefited for you. Whether you are a beginner looking to get started or an experienced marketer. But the video I will put here, the content I will put in my channel, it will greatly benefit you. I can assure you that. In today's video, we will not dive in deep. We will just talk about basics of Google Ads, covering essential concepts to help kickstart your advertising journey. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content and share your thought in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. And as I said before, pardon me, I am not still fluent in English, but I promise you as time passes by, I will be good at it. I will be much more fluent with the love and respect you will shower me. I can I can 100% say from my inner self that I will give my best to this channel so that you can freely get the content which you will get in premium level. And for that in this channel and you don't have to pay me anything for it. And thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you and I can wait to embark on this learning journey together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is for introduction video and I won't take much time from you as we won't show you anything today. It's just an introduction video. I try to briefly tell you what this channel is all about. So for firstly, we'll learn Google Ads, after Facebook Ads, GTM, GA4, Google Tag Manager, as well as we'll learn as time passes by, we'll learn about server side tracking. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.